Today, I'll be reviewing the Neewer Camera Cage for the Sony A6700. The camera cage is made of an aluminum alloy, which makes it light and strong. It's designed to be attached to the camera at 3 points for maximum robustness. The main attachment point is the 1/4-inch screw below, supplemented by a pin on the left and a small hex screw on the right. The cage is designed with an Arca Swiss quick release plate at the bottom and numerous 1/4-inch and 3 8-inch threaded holes on all 4 sides of the cage for mounting various photo and video accessories. There's also a detachable cable clamp for the HDMI connector on the left side. The cage comes with a handy tool that is magnetically attached to the base. It can be used to fasten the 1/4-inch screw or the 2 tiny hex screws on the left and the right sides of the cage. Unfortunately, there was no documentation provided with the product in the box, so I had to resort to looking at the product photos on the Amazon website to determine how the cage was supposed to be attached to the camera. The Sony camera comes with 2 triangular split rings that the camera strap is to be attached to. These need to be carefully removed prior to installation. Once removed, the camera cage can be carefully slid over the camera. The 1/4-inch screw at the base can then be tightened. The left shoulder screw loosened to extend the securing pin and then re-tightened. Finally, the right mounting screw tightened. Now it's ready to be used. Here is my summary of the camera cage after using it for several days. It feels robust and does provide some measure of protection to the camera. The Arca quick release and the additional strap attachment point work as expected. I particularly like that the camera lies flat and level on the table when not in use, unlike my previous Arca quick release plate, which was much smaller. Also, the additional strap attachment point allows me to have both my Peak Design anchor mounts to be on the right side of the camera, which is the way I like my strap connected. All controls, ports, the battery compartment, and the display are accessible. Additional mounting points for accessories will be useful in the near future. I didn't use the HDMI cable clamp, so I removed it. Overall, I'd rate this 4 stars out of 5. It provides good value for money and is highly recommended.